Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, if you have some doubts or some questions in your mind, you can stay tuned for that reading that may give you clarity in your circumstances today, Gemini. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have 7 of Pentacles in reverse, 6 of Pentacles, and 9 of Pentacles. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really kind, compassionate, you are helping people, or there is someone helping you today. Maybe in your work, they are collaborating with you, increasing your work potential, and you are seeing positive changes in your circumstances. Things are changing for the better. Maybe you were seeing some difficulties, maybe some misunderstandings, maybe in your work people were not listening to you, or your vision was different, maybe their vision was different. So some kind of misunderstanding, but whatever it was, it is resolving in your career. So people understand you and people are here to help you today. So the same way in this relationship, you are seeing some good changes. This person understands you, they love you. Maybe all those arguments or fights, whatever it was before, all that is changing for you. And you are collaborating with each other, trying to have that friendly relationship with each other, helping each other out. So you are really happy with the way things are going today, happy about this connection, happy for this person, happy about the way this connection is moving. So your difficulties are ending today, Gemini, or it has already ended, resolved. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it is 5 of Wands in reverse. So in your relationship, just like I said, positive changes are what we see here. So whatever arguments you had, or maybe fights, maybe whatever it was, even misunderstanding, all that is resolving and you are seeing clarity today. That is the reason we have 9 of Pentacles. So you are really happy, emotional contentment, joy, and you feel really happy to be with this person. You have mutual love, respect, caring, and things are going in a very positive way, and all the negatives are changing to something really positive today, Gemini. So you need not worry, and everything falling into place for you all, guys. Gemini, in your relationship. So for your careers circumstances, we picked one card. We will see what it is, and it is Page of Cups in reverse. So in your work circumstances, there is something happening, something important coming your way. Maybe you need to be more careful. Maybe when you're making some important choices, something may look nice, something may look very lucrative, but you need to be careful, because if you are making some choice without thinking, without clarity, it is going to land you in some difficult situation, Gemini. So you need to be really careful, and you may see some obstacles or delays in your work, but you need not worry, guys. It is simply something you need to work on. You need more focus. That is what I would say. So that is the energy with these cards, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment, and stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here for y'all today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep the second card here. We will see what is the card. A leg up. So with this card, in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, it just means that you cannot go on like this anymore, and there are opportunities coming in your life, and if you need to embrace those opportunities, or if you need to do something better, you need help, you need that teamwork and interdependence. That is what this card means. So relationships do very well if we work together as a team. When you have people, when you have your person supporting you, and when you support them, it is going to be a very positive, meaningful connection, and you will be met with kindness and love. So maybe you are feeling really vulnerable, you want this person's ideas or suggestions on certain things. You need to ask for it, guys, because they will not know what is there deep down in your heart of hearts. So you need to voice out your request. Maybe you want help, or you want a guidance in something, or you want this person's decision on something, whatever it may be. You need to ask and you will get that help. And trust your circumstances, and you can go forward with this help. You can request their help. There is nothing wrong, guys, with interdependence and teamwork in a relationship. That is going to help you a lot, and this is that time, maybe that time for you to give up all your inhibition, maybe whatever is holding you back from asking. You need to give all that up and ask for help. That is this card's energy here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, a fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today in your circumstances you were concentrating too much on yourself, and maybe there is some argument or some kind of a confusion because you want something and this person wants something else, and you don't know what will happen next. So there is some kind of a lot of things are happening today, and you may feel really sensitive, emotional, and you need to understand whether think within yourself whether you were rushing towards some decisions or some choices, or whether you have been too harsh, too stubborn, holding on to something in this relationship. And maybe you are the reason for the way things are going the way they are today. So you need to come out of it, maybe, and you need to do it, what to say, with understanding. So whatever decisions or whatever, uh, maybe you're speaking something, you must not be influenced by how you feel emotionally, but to try to uh, go about any circumstances in a very balanced way. That is going to help you guys. And you, if you are interested in meditation, you can take that up. That is going to help you a lot today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, with these two cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.